Welcome. In this video I will show you how to remap keys on your Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3 Chromebook. So you can remap most of the keys using just this Chromebook's built-in settings. First of all, we have to open the control center and go to settings by clicking the gear icon. Here we're gonna have to scroll down to device, then go to keyboard and inputs menu. Okay, and here we're gonna have to select customize keyboard keys next to your built-in keyboard, or of course you can do the same thing to the externally connected one. And now you can assign any function that you like to all of your action keys, and then for delete, page down, page up, and insert F11, F12, so the keys that are absent on your keyboard, you can assign to them, you can assign shortcuts to them right here. And we can do pretty much the same thing to the external keyboard. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.